Transportation Service in Washington, D.C. Searching for top-tier transportation service in Washington, D.C.? Look no further than RnH Transportation, where comfort, reliability, and tailored travel solutions redefine your journey. Whether you're organizing group travel, corporate events, or efficient shuttle services, we deliver seamless transportation designed with your convenience and safety in mind. At RnH Transportation, we specialize in diverse transportation options, including charter bus and shuttle rentals, making us the perfect partner for events of any size. Our modern fleet is outfitted with premium amenities to elevate your travel experience, whether navigating city streets or embarking on a long-distance trip. Enjoy spacious interiors, luxurious seating, and advanced entertainment features. Our vehicles are crafted for comfort and sophistication. As a trusted local provider, we take pride in understanding Washington, D.C. residents' and visitors' unique transportation needs. With our professional drivers at the wheel, you can count on punctual pickups and drop-offs, ensuring a worry-free experience from start to finish. From corporate functions to wedding celebrations, RnH Transportation is your reliable partner for premium transportation in the heart of Washington, D.C. Simplify your travel plans today. Call RnH Transportation at 443-800-6300 to book your ride and discover the ultimate travel convenience. With us, the journey isn't just about getting there, it's about enjoying the ride every step of the way.